BlackRock expands beyond $11 billion ETH fund with Staked Ethereum ETF filing. BlackRock, Ethereum, staking. Journalist, Tanzeel Akhtar. Journalist, Tanzeel Akhtar. About author. Tanzeel Akhtar has been reporting on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology since 2015. Her work has appeared in leading publications including The Wall Street Journal, Bloomberg, CoinDesk, Bitcoin. Has also written. BlackRock expands beyond $11 billion ETH fund with Staked Ethereum ETF filing. Binance confirms employee suspended amid ongoing insider information investigation. Daniel Lee named CEO of Cactus Custody as the firm expands institutional crypto services. Digital asset ETPs record $716 million weekly inflows as AUM reaches $180 billion. CoinShares. Stablecoin adoption and tokenized settlement take center stage at Binance Blockchain Week. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 3 hours ago. BlackRock is advancing further into digital asset investment products with a filing for the iShares Staked Ethereum Trust ETF, its first U.S. product that offers direct staking exposure for institutional investors. The move expands upon the firm's existing Ethereum fund, which now exceeds $11 billion in assets, and reflects the growing market appetite for yield-generating crypto strategies. The preliminary prospectus, dated December 5th, describes a vehicle that will reflect ETH price performance while also capturing rewards from staking a portion of its holdings. The trust will issue shares representing fractional beneficial interests in its Ether assets, which will be held in custody on behalf of investors. Staking rewards, once received, are intended to enhance net asset value, though the filing cites regulatory and operational risks that could impact distribution and performance. Multi-custodian structure anchored by Coinbase and BNY Mellon. The filing outlines a layered custody and administration model. Coinbase Custody Trust Company is slated to serve as the ETH custodian, while the Bank of New York Mellon will act as cash custodian and administrator. Anchorage Digital Bank is listed as an additional custodian, strengthening the trust's regulated oversight and redundancy. BlackRock Fund Advisors will serve as trustee, and iShares Delaware Trust Sponsor LLC is listed as the sponsor of the trust. The structure indicates a clear intention to position the product as a compliant infrastructure designed for institutional comfort and risk management. Provider-facilitated staking, not validator operation. Instead of running validator infrastructure directly, the trust will rely on approved third-party staking service providers. The sponsor will determine how staking is allocated based on provider performance, reliability, and reputation. Staking operations may be executed through affiliates of the custodians or other regulated partners, with the prospectus noting both reward potential and slashing risk as material considerations for investors. The trust intends to issue shares continuously and list on Nasdaq under the ticker ETHB, with creation and redemption occurring in standardized baskets of 40,000 shares. Institutional demand shifts toward yield-bearing crypto products. BlackRock's filing indicates a strategic shift as institutional investors increasingly seek exposure beyond price-only products and toward yield-bearing, tokenized financial instruments. If approved, the ETF may help define how staking rewards are classified, a topic still evolving in U.S. regulatory circles. The Staked ETH ETF positions BlackRock at the center of this transition, reflecting its ambition to shape the next phase of digital asset adoption. One in which exposure is not merely speculative but grounded in the operational economics of blockchain networks. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF bleeds $2.7 billion. Meanwhile, BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust has logged its longest stretch of weekly withdrawals since the fund launched in January 2024, marking a sharp turn in institutional sentiment toward Bitcoin even as price is steady. Investors pulled more than $2.7 billion from the fund over the 5 weeks ending November 28, according to data from Soso Value. Redemptions continued on Thursday with an additional $113 million, putting the ETF on track for a 6th consecutive week of outflows. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions, Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders' crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer XRP price prediction. Ripple CEO says Bitcoin will double by 2026. How high can XRP go? XRP price prediction. Important data shows whales just bought $1.3 billion in XRP buying spree starting. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Pi coin by the end of 2025. Price analysis. Solana price prediction. Institutions pile in as staking hits 3.1 M SOL. Could SOL overtake Bitcoin in 2026? 3 days ago. By Harvey Hunter. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. BlackRock's Larry Fink says sovereign wealth funds are quietly buying Bitcoin. Will their bid push BTC past $100,000? 4 days ago. By Anas Hassan. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Bernstein says 4-year cycle is broken as institutions drive an elongated bull market. Raises 2026 target to $150,000. 2 hours ago. By Anas Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in December 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in December 2025. 9 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in December 2025. 6 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 10 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 6 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 10 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 13 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 13 hours ago. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 13 hours ago. By Ben Beto.